Mayong adlaw sa tanan. Ako di ay si Rico Raspecia, student of Caraga State University, Kabadbaran, Campus. Ug karon atong pagahisgutan ang programming and logic. So unsa ang programming and logic? Programming logic refers to the fundamental principles that programmers use to write clear, structured, and effective code. It allows developers to break down problems into logical steps and implement solutions efficiently. So, ang programming logic daw kay mao na siya ang ginagamit sa mga programmers para magsulat nga klaro o aron aron mas effective ang code nila. Og mao po na siya aron masolusyonan ang mga problems na 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 naa sa atoang ah, kalibutan karon. So, nganong importante man kini? Without proper logic, code can become disorganized, inefficient, and difficult to maintain. So, di, importante jud kaayo ni siya kay for example, ang ato ang kuan ang isa ka system is kuan naguba siya or nasudlan siya og isa ka virus. So, we need to ato na siyang i-secure dapat, ato na siyang i-maintain, kailangan i-maintain o kailangan po siya ma-organize siya. So, according kang Estelle Darcy, programmers are very important in a company for system development and marketing. So, di ba, ginagamit na ba nato karon nga mga nga ah, mga teknolohiya is sa pag-marketing is mga technology na ganyan kasagaran karon. So, mao po na isa nganong importante kaayo ang isa ka programmers. Evolution of programming. Over the years, programming has undergone a significant transformation from early machine code and assembly language to high-level programming languages like Python and Java. Programming has evolved to become more efficient and accessible. So, uh, sa diri ang part, kanang nagkuan na gid siya anam na gid og kataas ang ato ang programming level karon. Like na siya Python aron dali ra siya mabasa, dali ra masabtan og naapod siya Java. O ang sa karon is mas kuan siya, mas user friendly siya kontra sa ah kaniadto. While local thinking matters, logical thinking is the backbone of programming. It allows developers to approach problems systematically and ensures that their code functions correctly. It improves problem solving, debugging, and efficiency in writing algorithms. So, in logical thinking, kuan siya, maupod siya, maupod siya nag-ensure siya o ah, kanang para mo function bitaw siya correct kay without logical thinking wala ka paghunahuna nga tarong is kuan siya kanang imuhang gihimo nga system or imuhang gihimo nga isa ka website is dali ra siya ma-adapt og mga virus or something kuan. How to improve logical thinking. Engaging in activities that require logical reasoning, such as solving puzzles, playing strategic games like chess, and practicing coding challenges, helps develop stronger logical thinking skills. So, isa po dahil siya nga maka-improve sa ato is pagduwa og mga puzzles, pag-solve sa mga puzzles, pagduwa og mga games nga nagamit og nagamit sa atong utok pag-ayo like chess, unya nag-develop pod siya og kuan mao na siya ang nag-develop nga makapalig-on sa ato ang paghunahuna, makahuna-huna gyud tarong. Logical thinking in real-world programming. Logical thinking is essential in real-world programming scenarios, whether it's developing an application, debugging code, or optimizing a program for the better performance. So, essential gid kaayo siya kay para nang mag-develop ta og kuan na applications, 'di ba kailangan adisir ka mag-develop og isa ka application dapat naa jud kay paghuna-huna kung unsa may mahatag nimo sa isa ka komunidad or isa ka system or unsa-unsa unsa-unsa para mas secure ang ato ang gibuhat nga application. Next is the connection between logic and algorithms. Algorithms are structured sets of instructions used to solve problems efficiently. Logical thinking is necessary to design and implement these algorithms effectively. So, logical thinking is kuan siya, necessary necessary kaayo kinahanglan to design and implement these algorithms effectively. Kay ang algorithms is mo siya ang structured sets na maghatag og instructions para paggamiton sa mga problema nga atong problema nga atong pagasulbaro. Introduction to enhancing logical skills. To become a better programmer, one must continuously improve logical thinking skills through practice and learning. So, kuan, aron mas makuan bitaw ta, mas mahasa ta sa pag-program, dapat na ang pag-practice, isa na ang pag-practice, isa is pag-learn. Kay unsa man nimo pagkamaayo sa pag-program kung wala kay pag-learn sa learn, 'di ba? We all know nga daghan na kaayo sa YouTube nga nagtudlo unsaon pag-program, unsaon pag-code, and especially kailangan pod sa imong pag-learn, imo po na siyang sabayan of practice. Kay dili lang pod mag-learn lang ka without practice. Lain sad kaayo 'no? So, next, think to solve. Instead of jumping straight to coding programmers and to coding, programmers should first analyze the problem, break it into smaller parts, and think through potential solutions. This can be done using pseudocode or flowcharts. So, dili kailangan, at the same time magkuhan sa isa ka system. Sa akong giingon giina, kanang mag-analyze sa tauna sa problem or kung mahimo atong i-divide ang atong mga problems into smaller pieces. Like kini siya ang atong buhaton pinakauna, kini like step by step or maghimo ta og flowcharts. Di ba sa flowcharts kay naa na dito kung unsa nimo pag-identify ang imong mga ang imong gibuhat nga system. For example, 'di ba naghatag ko og ay nag na dahil naghatag ka og input nga print numbers, 'di ba? Yun nga, unsa may kalabasan ato or unsa may mga decisions sa ato nga mahimo. Yun ana na siya. Next is practice makes perfect. So the best way to develop programming logic is through consistent practice, writing code daily, solving coding challenges, and experimenting with different approaches help build logical thinking. So, all we need, atong pagkapuhaton lang yun is practice, practice, and practice. Practice, learn, practice, learn, practice. Ano lang din siya. Kaya, ah, naay kasabihan nga practice makes perfect. So that's actually correct. So himo tag ko diri identify sa ah, mga problema o kailangan pod kanang ang problema is kanang mangita tag way para ma-solve ka na. Learning data structures and algorithm. Understanding how data is stored and manipulated in programming is crucial for writing efficient code. Learn how programming paradigm, paradigms. Different programming paradigms define how a programmer structure and write codes. What are logic programming language? Logic programming languages focus on defining rules and facts rather than writing step-by-step procedures. So, muna siya, mas maayo siya kumpara sa magsuwat ka og step-by-step nga procedures. How logic programs work determines if a computation is correct based on predefined rules. So, diha i-determine nato kung sakto ba ang computation sa sa atong mga sa atong gibuhat nga rules. And logic programming works by using a process called inference to find a solution that satisfies the facts and rules. Inference is a technique that applies logical reasoning to deduce new information from existing knowledge. Examples of logic programming. Prolog is used in artificial intelligence and natural language processing. SQL is used for managing database. So ang Prolog is muna siya ang artificial intelligence nga o natural nga language nga nag-process. So ang SQL is ginagamit siya para sa pag-manage mga data. Advantages of logic programming: amplifies complex problem solving, efficient memory management, and pattern recognition. So here is the role of algorithm in logic. Algorithm help us use logic to solve problems step by step. So ang algorithms kay mao siya ang naghatag kanato og ah kanato para magamit si logic to solve para mahatagan nato og to solve problems step by step. They're important in many areas, such as solving logic problems, marketing decisions, computers and AI, programming and checking mistakes. So in solving logic problems is algorithms check if the statements are true or false. So ang algorithms po daw kaya nag-check siya if tinuod ba o dili. So they help improving mathematical and logical rules. So muna siya ang sa solving logic problems. In making decisions, some algorithm decide if a problem has a solution. So, ang algorithm po, mo po siya ang nag-decide kung naa ba siya solution sa isa ka problema. So, in computers and AI, computers follow algorithms to make logical decisions. AI uses logic to solve problems and learn from data. So, si AI, they use bootstrap logic para mag-solve sa problemas and learn from data. Programming and checking mistakes. Some programming languages like Prolog use logic. Algorithms also check if software and hardware work correctly. So, ang algorithm po nag-check po sa mga software and hardware kung nag-work ba siya og tama, nag-work ba siya nga kanang wala ba siya mga mistakes and also ang Prolog po nagagamit po siya og algorithm. Writing and understanding algorithms. An algorithm is a step-by-step way to solve a problem. It is like a recipe that tells you what to do next. So, di ba, kuan siya kanang naghatag gyud siya step by step kung sa imong paghimuon ni ana o o nagmando po siya kung unsaon pagsuwat sa algorithm. Understand the problem, and plan the steps, check the steps, and test the algorithms. So, and understand the problem is imo jud siya hibaw-on kung unsa ang kinahanglan nga sulbaron. And plan the step, write each step clearly. Like, mag-list ka kung unsa yung mga steps niyang buhaton and check the steps, make sure they are in the correct order. Kay kung kuan nagbalik-balik gali na nawa jud nagkalima o ang imong ginubat. Test the algorithm. So try it with examples to see if it works. So imo siyang i-try or i-test kung sakto ba ang imong gibuhat or kung naay mali, then balik lang kung saan nimo pagbuhat ang imong himo. Comparing different algorithms. Algorithms can solve the same problem in different ways. We compare them to find the best one based on speed, memory, and simplicity. So, gina-compare ko natin siya pinaagi sa kapaspason, sa iyang memory, o sa iyang simplicity. So, one extra next is using data structures in logic. Data structures help organize and store information so algorithms can work efficiently. In logic, they help in reasoning, problem solving, and decision making. So, sa logic siya, nag-help po siya sa paghatag og reason, solve sa mga problem o make sa mga decision nga angay niyang buhatan. Why use data structures in logic? Make logical operations faster and efficient. So, naghatag po siya sa logical na operations na paspas siya o efficient. help store and retrieve logical rules quickly, improve AI decisions making and problem solving, nag-improve po sa mga desisyon sa AI o nagkatagpuan sa mga programming. Pseudocode and flowcharts. Pseudocode and flowcharts helps in planning and understanding algorithms before coding. So pseudocode is a simple way to write an algorithm using plain English and programming like structures. It helps programmers understand the logic without focusing on syntax. So, ang pseudocode kay isa siya ka-sample nga pamaagi para magsulat siya og algorithm by using an English language. So, mao na siya. Ang flowchart is a visual way to show an algorithm using symbols. Ang flowchart sub ka nagagamit siya og mga symbols, kalain-lain symbols like oval, square, diamond, and rectangle. A computer is an electronic device capable of performing mathematical, logical, and graphical tasks, typically as a system of interconnected devices. Computers can be classified as analog, digital, or hybrid, depending on their data handling methods. Advances in laptop technology have led to the development of portable computers suitable for diverse needs. High-performance workstations usually employed for graphic CAD software and development and scientific applications may run on Unix, Linux, or based on high-end PCs by various vendors like Sun, HP, IBM, and SGI. Hexadecimal, a base 16 number system simplifies human interaction with binary numbers. Binary coded decimals is used to include decimals numbers assigning each digit a specific binary sequence. So, di ba, ang binary kay 0 o 1, di ba, mora gina siya, binary. So, in programming, a strong logical thinking skills are essential. Developing these skills can improve programming, logic, in numerous languages including C, C++, Java, Net, Python, JavaScript, Perl, Shell script, and more. So, diha ra ta ko to. O, daghang salamat sa pagpaminaw.